Hey everyone, James Shear from Wishpond again. Wanted to talk to you about my most recent post. This covers the email marketing strategies that you need to be implementing around Black Friday and Cyber Monday. Now, with this post, I did something a little bit different. Normally, I do best practices and recommendations based on my own experience and the experience that I've had with clients and helping businesses succeed. I did something different here. This article is based on a report that came out last year, right after Black Friday, Cyber Monday, that analyzed 128,000 different email campaigns from more than 7,000 different brands and kind of take a look at what worked, what didn't work with them, when to send an email, what kind of campaigns work most effectively. And so the numbers are what I'm basing all of my recommendations off here. Because, not every article should just be an expert saying, this is what I think you should do, go run with it. If I can base some of my recommendations on science and analysis and fact and statistics, we should do as much as we can, and that's what this post is. If you have any questions, and if you are looking to increase email marketing success around Black Friday, you absolutely should check out this post. Let me know how it goes. Click the link below. I look forward to hearing from you.